Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install the window regulator, the window on your Honda S2000, some butyl tape for better stickiness, and put back your door panel. So let's get started. So we're going to be putting back now the regulator. A good time to kind of clean anything you want. I will be removing this afterwards, so yeah, we started the cleanup job. This is a little tedious to put the new butyl tape on. The top parts go at the top here. All right. Next thing, we want to get the window regulator itself through the holes and just kind of plug it there, and then we're gonna get the bottom piece right there through the two holes aligned. Did not remove these two bolts, so the lower patch stays. So the two upper bolts for the regulator, by making the marks, we're gonna need to kind of, there we go, put a little bit of force, and we'll torque these in a second. Next, we're gonna tighten these guys with 10 mil. We're using a 4 hex, and a 10. This is going to get torqued down to 12 Newton meters or 9 foot-pounds of torque. These guys are going to be 6 pounds of torque or 8 Newton meters, and this guy's going to be 12 Newton meters or 9 foot-pounds of torque. 8. There we go. So that's done. That'll be easy. We're gonna do that. Okay. So we have it's sitting on here, so we got some time. On the marks, as you see, we're going to need to align. I'm just putting them in for now. Let's torque them. We got two 8 Newton meters. Okay, now let's torque it down. As you can see, the butyl tape is pretty much worn out, and so I'm gonna put brand new tape in. I don't know what kind of gunk this was, but you just need to clean it nicely, remove it all, and then we'll get new tape installed so we could have the plastic stick better. Two sides, so we're going to put one side onto the car, and the other side we're going to peel off and put the rain protector or the weather strip protector back on. So let's do after I cleaned up previous tape off of it. So yeah, let's I washed it off as well as much as I could. So now we're going to just put the tape on. Start here. That kind of So as you know, as this side, this thing ripped, so it can. But normally you would plug it in and then push that back in to hold it. So we got to get through all this stuff out, and we got our holes, and we're going to tighten this up now. It kind of broke it, so I glued it. Remember, black goes on the bottom and white goes on the top. Okay, good. So top one, and then at the top, screw everything back. So the first thing, we need to get make sure you got all the, put back any clips that's time to replace, or replace all your clips. Plug in, and then this one goes on the top, and the panel. I like to drop that. There we go. Now it's on. And beautiful. Kind of reverse. Alright, the last two things. You get the screws here. Make sure you put back. Remember, you gotta lift out that. And let's plug. Don't forget to plug this guy back in. There we go. And last one is to cover those plugs. And these guys are, as you see, they're two different sizes. They're gonna be going into a specific way. So the bottom.
If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more content like this. As always, make sure to comment below on any new types of videos you like to see or projects done to the S2000.